Hello darlings, and welcome or welcome back to my knitting channel where I show you how to knit certain patterns or stitches. Today's stitch is the daisy stitch, which is quite adorable. It's a not reversible stitch. This is the front and this is the back, although I do think that the back is quite cute too. It doesn't really curl much at the edges, so this would be a lovely stitch for instance, a baby blanket. The stitch itself, it's a 4-row repeat, and you have to cast on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 1 stitch. So that means 5 stitches or 9 stitches or 13 or 17. So you just cast on 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, I hope I did that correctly, plus 1 stitch extra. But for the full effect of the daisy, to get the full effect of the flowers, I would recommend that you cast on at least 9 stitches, because you do need 2 repeats of the 4 stitches to get the full effect of the pattern. So I'm going to continue on with this swatch because you don't really need a setup for your daisy stitch. I'm now going to continue with a different colour because it's also quite a cute stitch to do in 2 different colours. I'll also show you where you can switch colours. So I'm going to start now on row 1, which is quite easy because each row on the right side, you just knit all your stitches. Easy peasy. And on the right side of your work is also when you change colours. So I'm going to just knit every stitch knitwise. This isn't too difficult. Let's just crack on to row 2, where things get a little bit more difficult, but not too difficult. See you then. Alright, row 2 on your wrong side, because for this pattern all the tricky things are done on the wrong side of the work. So we're going to start off with knitting 1 stitch, so edge stitch, okay? And then we're going to repeat the next 2 stitches. First, you're going to purl 3 stitches together. Hold on, you're not going to slip these 3 off of your left needle just yet. You're going to yarn over, so you're going to wrap your yarn over your right needle. Then now you're going to purl them, all these 3, purl them again together. So you started off with 3 stitches and you ended up with 3 stitches. Now you can slip these off. So you're going to do this and knit 1. This is what you repeat throughout. I'm going to show you again. Yarn in front. From right to left, you're going to go through these 3 stitches on your left needle. Wrap your yarn. Pull it out, keep these 3 on your left needle, yarn over, and then go in again, yarn over, roll wrap, and pull it out. 3 stitches, 3 stitches, and now you can slip the ones off of your left needle. Then knit 1, and you repeat that all the way to the end. See you in the next row. Now row 3, right side, just knit all your stitches. I'm going to switch colour again, because if you want to switch a colour, it's on the right side that you do it. So you simply knit all your stitches. When you're doing these 4-row repeats for the first time, on your right side is a good time to just count your stitches and hope no one bothers you while you're counting, because it's a good way to check if you still have the same amount of stitches as you cast it on. So to check whether or not you have made an oopsie in the previous row, because it's best to go back now than realizing your mistake 20 rows later. Last row, row 4. You're going to first do 3 edge stitches. You're going to knit 1 knitwise, purl 1, then knit 1 again. Then you're going to repeat the same thing you were doing in the previous wrong side row. You're going to purl 3 together, keep it on your left needle, yarn over, and then purl the same 3 stitches again, and slip them off, and knit 1. You're going to repeat that until you have 2 stitches left on your left needle. Just show you. So there, I now have 2 stitches left, and you're going to purl 1, knit 1. There you are. So I've just quickly added another row in a pink colour, so I just redid row 1 and 2 again, just to show you what the effect is when you use 2 colours. It is a very pretty pattern. It gives you a little bit of a diagonal line. If you switch your colours every right side row, so you knit row 1 and 2 in one colour and 3 and 4 in another, you really see the flowers individually even more, because it switches colour. The flowers switch position each time, and it's a little bit more visible, I find, when you use 2 different colours. You don't have to do it, just if you want to do it, now you know when to switch colours. Okay? Enjoy this stitch. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, you know what to do: like, comment, share. You can always subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Jane James Knitwear. Love to see you there, and see you next time, hopefully. Bye bye.